I'm Rida Lahaki, director of the Moroccan Center for Game Theory. So this event, the Winter School, is an event that we are going to organize every year. It will bring, we want to bring international professors and students, PhD students, here to Morocco. So this will, they will learn about the university, they will learn about Morocco, and they will be perhaps people that we may recruit in the future as postdoc or assistant prof. So that's an investment in our part. This also allows our students to meet international top-level researchers in the area and perhaps have collaborations with their PhD students and see what could be their future. It also shows them that you have also women. So 3 of our 5 professors are women, and this shows also that we can be a woman and be at the top level of the research in the world. Okay, so that's what the 3 objectives we have. Why we choose data economics? Because there is a lot of problem about data at this moment: machine learning, artificial intelligence, digital economy. So these are very actual problems, and game theory is can be a very good and an important tool in analyzing and designing algorithms that are efficient, for example, that take into account privacy, that elicit information, that take into account adversarial attacks, for example, and adversarial behaviors, like in cybersecurity, for example. So we wanted to show that we wanted a thematic this year for the Winter School to be a combination of economics, mathematics, and computer science. And data economics was like a very good topic. So that's why we did choose this topic.